Hands-on learning. Unlocking the power of active participation. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting and widely used English phrase, hands-on learning. This concept is not just a phrase, but a powerful approach to gaining knowledge and skills. So, if you're ready to understand and use this phrase effectively, let's get started. Hands-on learning refers to a learning method that involves active participation and physical engagement. It's about getting involved and doing things practically, rather than just listening or reading. This approach is believed to enhance understanding and retention. Think of it like learning to swim by actually getting in the water, instead of just reading about swimming techniques. To help you grasp this concept, let's look at some examples. In a cooking class, hands-on learning means actually cooking, not just watching the teacher. In science education, it involves conducting experiments rather than just reading about them. Language learning becomes hands-on when you practice speaking with others, instead of only studying grammar rules. There are several benefits to this approach. 1. Improves memory and understanding. When you actively do something, you're more likely to remember it. 2. Develops critical thinking. Solving real problems enhances your ability to think critically. 3. Boosts engagement and motivation. Being actively involved makes learning more interesting and fun. How can you incorporate hands-on learning into your daily life? Here are some tips. Try out new skills. If you're learning a new language, practice by speaking with native speakers. Engage in DIY projects. Learn by doing, whether it's home repairs, gardening, or crafting. Participate in workshops or group activities. These settings offer excellent opportunities for hands-on experiences. And that's a wrap on hands-on learning. We hope this video has not only explained the phrase but also inspired you to embrace this effective learning approach. Remember, the best way to learn is by getting your hands dirty, figuratively, of course. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.